I got myself a new vise, new to me anyway. Until I picked this one up, I've never seen one like this with the two-piece movable jaw. It's a bit of an odd arrangement. The project today will be to put some slots on the bottom so the device can be keyed to the table. I like having those because it makes setup just a little bit easier. So to start off, I've got a big parallel here that I'm going to clamp down perpendicular to the table. And I had a moment there. I didn't realize I had the indicator on the wrong side. So I don't know if these indicators are supposed to work both ways, but this one did not. So I had to move that over to the back. Once I got that where I liked it, you can see here I have the vise clamped down to that parallel. So in theory, the vise should now be parallel to the ways on the table. So then I clamp the vise down. Just use a 4-flute end mill here to cut myself a slot. And I'm just slowly walking up on that dimension. I want it to be a nice snug fit. And once I get it right, I go down here to the other end and repeat the process. And here I put some of those brass keys in and flipped it over. And I didn't bother bolting it down, I just wanted to see how close I got it. Sorry about the glare on the indicator here, but if you look closely you can see it's barely any wobble. So for a quick setup, I think this is going to work out. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.